bell drop? I got strong friends. Ringing the bell. What? Apparently know some of these.
I'm from Fayetteville, Louisiana. This is my second tire hammer class. I built one back in October. I'm not leaving with a hammer this go around. I just came to help everyone build hammers. It was such an awesome experience the first time, so I decided to come back for more.
Wiring motors?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Wiring motors.
Yeah.
I'm John Perilou. I'm from right here in Robert, Louisiana. I'm the owner of Chappapeela Crafts, and that's it.
Thanks for hosting.
You're welcome.
Hey, my name's Chris Jones. I'm from Houston, Texas, and it's been a really fun time here at the Tire Hammer class. I've enjoyed it a lot. I've met a lot of new people. Everyone's super friendly, and I highly recommend everyone coming to the class.
I'm Duke Jones, outside of Houston, Texas. Came here for the class. So far it has been fantastic. People are awesome. They're great. Great camaraderie. It's kind of a community I've really never experienced before. So great.
I'm Mac Kelsey from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Class is awesome. Make great hammers. Get it done. Lots of meet good people. It's just a great time.
Ryan Calloway from Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm at this Tire Hammer class.
I'm Brett Barnes. I'm from Newport, Tennessee. This is my first hammer class. I saw it posted online, saw an opportunity to come out here. Got a chance to hang out with guys that I've only known on Facebook, guys like Derek Melton. We've talked and chatted, and he's a dear friend of mine, love him to death, and I finally got to meet him. Got to hang out with Brian Brazell, Blacksmith Royalty. I had the most fun that I've had at an event in a long time. It rivals like Blade Show and stuff. It's just a great time.
All right, my name is Jerry Gardner from Daphne, Alabama. Thought it was a really good class. Looking forward to getting the tire home and playing around with it.
Josh Howard, I'm from McCarley, Mississippi. I really enjoyed the class. I've been doing the welding. It's been a great experience, and I'll be back for the next one.
I'm Patrick Cassidy from Tucson, Arizona. The class has been great. A lot of good guys, and we got a bunch of hammers.
My name is Derek Melton. I'm from Clinton, Mississippi. This is my third tire hammer build. I keep coming back because it's such a great time. Great people, a great environment, a great host, and most importantly, a great hammer. Really a great time.
All right, hey, I'm Palmer Robbins. This is my third hammer build for the Clay Spencer tire hammer. Curtis Herman does a great class here at John Parlow's at Chappapeela Arts and Crafts. I'd do it again and again.
Are you taking that off for?
It's amazing, you turn that thing left, it just gets looser. I'm not sure what's up with that.
You filming this? He's wondering if there's going to be evidence of what's about to happen.
There's always wrong. You got some fresh paper somewhere. Hey, that's nice.
That oil looks dirty.
Turkey. Done.
We are done.
Good job, Derek.
Chirpy. Good work. Thanks for helping.
I'm Blake Mullins from New Iberia, Louisiana. This is the first time taking this class. It's an excellent class. It was well organized and a good class for anybody considering smithing to take.
My name is Jeffrey Hill. I'm from just outside Waco, Texas. And this was a wonderful opportunity. A lot of great people, had a lot of fun, a lot of knowledge. And I'm very thankful I didn't do this by myself.
Hi, my name is Ray Boudreau. I'm from New Iberia, Louisiana. It's a great class with even better people. I'd do it again. Thank you.
My name is Mike Powell. I am from Fort Worth, Texas. And this class was one of the best experiences I could recommend to anybody that is interested in working with craftsmen in an awesome design with extremely competent people. The setup from the moment we arrived was impressive. Organization, understanding, teaching, no lack of patience, and a great group of men to spend 3 days with. Recommended to everybody.